Hello sa akong gwapa ug nagpabilin nga batan-on nga agaw. Net, happiest 70th birthday. Wishing you all the best and God bless. Ug birthday greetings usab gikan ni Reinhold. Magkita-kita tapon paabuton. Og regards sa tanang kapamilya, mga gwapo, mga gwapa, tang kaliwata. I love my own. Bye-bye. Og gimingaw ko ninyo tanan. Bye-bye again.
Surprise! Happy birthday, ma!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, ma! Happy 17th birthday! 70th birthday, di ay! Unya, thank you kayo sa tanan. Thank you sa mga sacrifices nimo. Thank you, Miss Kig. O sa kalisod na pahuman gitaon mi ninyo. Unya, amping ka kanunay. Unya, dili magminyo. Balik, ha?
Again, happy birthday, Ate. Wishing you good health and make more great memories, Ate. And have a special day.
Hope na surprise ka na mo, ma. Medyo sekreto gid kayo, kalit-kalit, ma. Happy birthday, ma! Enjoy! Amping kanunay!
Happy birthday, Ma!
Happy birthday, Ma.
We are always grateful for everything that you have done for us.
Thank you, ma!
Happy birthday again and
God bless,
God bless you!
hi,
Take two.
Happy birthday, Mama. I hope you have a
Take two.
happy birthday, Mama. I hope
Happy birthday, Ma!
Take three.
Happy 70th birthday, Ma!
Happy birthday, Mama.
Hope you have fun sa imong birthday karon and a surprise po kanila. Our prayers is always your safety and good health always.
I hope you have the best birthday party ever. Love ya.
Hi! Welcome to my vlog. Bitaw, just wanted to greet Mama Netnet her 70th birthday today. I just wish her all the best in life, more blessings, especially good health. Not only to Mama Netnet but to the whole family itself. And also hoping to see her this year. Bitaw, lisod na kay ko magbinisaya kay di na kayo ko kabalo kayo magbinisaya. Bye!
My brilliant Maminet. Oh, happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday, Maminet. I wish you have more wonderful life and more blessings and have a good life. Send my regards to our family there and to my fellow Filipinos. Hi Filipinos! Sorry I can't speak Filipino now. I forgot. Xing Chuang, Xing Chuang, Xing Cha.